Good morning. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good morning,
Morning. Good
Good
morning. Good
morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. What about you all?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine,
Very good.
thank you.
Okay.
How
Your
are you,
friends are
ma'am? How are
joining.
you, ma'am?
Your friends are joining. Let them join. We can. After that, we can start.
Ma'am, today you are beautiful.
Eh? I didn't switch on my video. You didn't. You saw me.
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good
How
morning.
are you, ma'am? Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning. Today also, ma'am is taken from home. And last class we discussed the revision of subtraction chapter.
Ma'am, revision.
Tell me louder. Yeah, revision. Are you ready with a notebook and pencil?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Which chapter?
Okay.
Which
Subtraction
chapter?
chapter we will revise once again. Subtraction chapter we will revise once again today, and tomorrow I will take a test. Okay. So last class we discussed a line on which we write the number 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on is called a dash. Ivan, what is the answer? A line on which we write the number 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on is called a dash. What we will call Ivan? Ivan, very good, number line. Okay. The symbol for subtraction is read as dash. Evelyn, what is the answer? The symbol for subtraction is read as
Measure.
the symbol for subtraction is read as dash. What is the answer?
Minus.
Minus. Evelyn, tell me the spelling of minus. Tell me the spelling of minus.
M-I-N-U-S.
Very good. Now, Elvin, taking away is called dash. What is the answer, Elvin?
Subtraction.
Very good, very good. Nasia, the answer we get on subtracting, what we will call the answer we get on subtracting?
Difference.
Very good. Now
Next thing.
tell me Daksha, 8 minus 0. What is the answer? 8 minus 0? 8. Very good. Aldrina, 6 minus 1. What is the answer? 6 minus 1?
Ma'am, next Angela.
6 minus 1. What is the answer, Aldrina?
7.
6 minus 1. 6 minus. Yeah, revising subtraction chapter, no? So when we subtract 1 from a number, we get the number just before it. So 6 minus 1. What is the answer? 6 minus 1. Others, please be quiet. 5. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. See, I'm calling out the name, so they will give me the answers. Others, please be quiet. Aldrina, listen here. 6 minus 1. So we are subtracting 1 from a number. We get the number just before it. So before 6, we have 5. So 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Okay, Aldrina? 5. Okay. Now, Ritika, when we subtract a number from itself, we get dash. What is the answer, Ritika?
We get the same number.
When we subtract a number from itself.
Before, after it.
Angela, did I ask you? I said, I will call out them in name and they will give me the answers. Ritika, tell me the answer. When we subtract a number from itself, we get dash. What is the answer, Ritika? A number from itself. That means 6 minus 6. What is the answer?
6 minus 6, 0.
Listen to the question and tell me the answer. Okay, Ritika? Subtracting a number from itself, we always get 0. Okay? Now, Angela, tell me. 10 minus 1. What is the answer? 10 minus 1.
10 minus 1 is equal to 9.
Okay, now all of you listen here. Today we are revising first of all the subtraction using number line. Okay, now tell me Ananda, when we are doing subtraction using number line, which side we will move or which side we will take backward jumps? Is it left side or right side?
Left side.
Very good, left side. Okay, now that we will do now. After that we have subtraction using vertical or column method. Okay, then we have some word problems. Then we will complete the session and we have tomorrow the revision test. Okay, now ma'am is going to share the screen. Listen here, ma'am is going to share the screen. All of you please take your notebook and pencil. You can continue where you stop, from where you stop. Please take a notebook, all of you. Open the page where you stopped yesterday, last day. Okay, so I'm going to share the screen and listen here. And we have this one. First of all, listen here. We have subtract using number line. And the question is 6 minus 2. So we have to draw the line. We have to mark the numbers, keeping equal distance between the numbers. And here we have the first number is 6. So 6 we have to mark on the number line. Then it is 6 minus 2. So we have to jump 2 steps backward. So 6 to 5, 5 to 4. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Now you understood how to do using number line?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Ma'am,
Now
right?
next one, listen first. Next we have subtract using vertical or column method. Vertical or column method means we are writing the numbers one below the other. And here we have the first one, 23 from 46. 23 from 46 means 46 minus 23. So here the bigger number is 46. So we will write the first bigger number first, 46. Below 46, we write the second number, that is the 23. And ones place we have 6 minus 3. Antonio, what is answer 6 minus 3? Antonio, 6 minus 3. Very
Three.
good. At a 10th place, we have 4 minus 2. What is answer 4 minus 2? Open 4 fingers, from that close 2 fingers. 2. So when we subtract 23 from 46, we get the answer 23. Okay. So please take notebook. Continue from where you stopped. Okay. So start to write now itself. First of all, subtract using number line. 6 minus 2. All of you please open it fast. Take the pencil and start to write. SUBTRACT, subtract USING, using NUMBER, a number, LINE, line. Question number 9, subtract using number line. And the question is 6 minus 2. So when we subtract on the number line, we move to the left by taking backward jumps. So please start to write now itself and take the scale and draw the number line, mark the points and find out the answer. Subtract using number line. Draw the number line, mark the points starting from 0 to 6, keeping equal distance between the numbers. Mark the point 6 on the number line. And we have to move to the left by taking backward jumps. And here we have to take 2 jumps. So we will move to 6 to 5, 5 to 4. So the answer is 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4.
Mama, we finished.
Elvin completed the number line.
Yes, ma'am.
How many jumps we move to the backward, Elvin?
2 jumps.
Then where we reached?
4.
Very good. So what about the 6 minus 2? What is the answer? 6 minus 2?
6 minus 2 equal to 4.
Very good. Very good. Okay. So here we are moving to the left by taking backward jumps. Okay. And write number 10. Subtract using vertical subtraction. Okay. So did you write that?
Ma'am, Shiba completed.
Okay. What about the 10th question?
Completed.
Okay. Very
Ma'am,
good.
is Samaria completed.
Please
Mama,
be.
10 is
Please.
completed.
Okay. You have to complete the subtract using vertical subtraction also. That also you have to complete. That means 23 from 46. That means 46 minus 23. And you have to do the subtraction. That also you have to complete it. Then I will show you the next page.
Ma'am, Shiba completed full.
Kiba completed full. 9 and 10.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is
Very good.
Samaria
Very good.
9 finished.
Okay, good. Very good. Just we can wait for 2 more minutes. Let them complete. Let others also complete it. After that, I will show you the next page. Okay. Others, please write. Please write fast. I will give you 3 more minutes. Write fast. Those who are joining late, you can start to write now. And if you didn't get time to complete it, you can do it later. The same I will forward in the group also, so you can copy from there. And if you have any doubt, you can message me or you can call me.
Ma'am, not completed.
Okay, Manna, very good. What about others?
Ma'am, is Samaria 9 and 10 finished?
Okay. What about Antonio?
Ma'am, Adrina finished. No, ma'am.
Aldrin just now joined only. No, then how can you complete it? You do one thing. I will share the screen. I will share the notes in the group. Okay, Aldrin. So you can
Minus hyphen.
and copy from later.
By minus hyphen. No completed. 3.
Right fast. Anyway, I will give you 3 more minutes. After that only I will move to the next page. That much time you complete.
Ma'am, Karthik completed full. Ma'am,
Very good, Karthik. Very good. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
completed.
Okay.
Just completed.
Just 1 minute. I will share the next page. Let's just we can wait for 2 more minutes. 1 more minute. After that, I will share the other page. Those who join late or those who have network issues, you don't worry. I will share the notes in the groups. You have to complete it. That's very important. You have to write in the notebook. Then it will be easy for you to attend the exam.
Ma'am, Sri Pavdi completed full.
Okay, very good. Now I'm stopping sharing the page. Now I will take another one. Okay, and those who didn't complete, do one thing. I will share again in the group. So please copy from there. Okay, and let me share the another page. Put your pencil down and listen to me.
Ma'am,
Angela
completed.
Put your pencil down and listen to me.
Ma'am, Angela completed.
Now we have the second page. And the second page we have question number B. That means we have to subtract using the vertical subtraction. The question is 20 from 40. 20 from 40. What is the meaning of 20 from 40? What is the meaning of 20 from 40? Samaria, 20 from 40. What's the meaning of that? 20 from 40.
40 minus 20.
Very good. 40 minus 20. So here we have 40 is a bigger number and 20 is a smaller number. So 40 minus 20. At one space, we have 0 minus 0. What is answer 0 minus 0? Isa? 0 minus 0. What is answer?
0.
Okay. 10 space, we have 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2, what is answer? 4 minus 2.
2.
Open 4. 2. So the answer is 20. Okay. And we have one word problem. And I will read for you. Listen here. No need to write now. Listen here. There, A-R-E-R. There are 3, 4, 34. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. There are 34 children. There are 34 children in the classroom. I-N in T-H-E, the C-L-A-S, C-L-A-S-S-R-O-O-M, classroom. There are 34 children in the classroom. 11 children went to the library. 11 children went to the library. 11 children went to the library. How many were left in the classroom? How many were left in the classroom? I will read out once again. There are 34 children in the classroom. So altogether there are 34 children. 11 children went to the library. From that 34 children, 11 students went to the library. Okay. So how many were left in the classroom? You can see the word left, which is related to what? Left is related to what?
Subtraction.
Very good, very good. Left is related to subtraction. So here we have to find the number of children left in the classroom. That means we have to subtract the smaller number from bigger number. That means 34 minus 11. Okay, so that you do by yourself. 34 by 11. I will share the answer after some time. So all of you please start to do right now itself. Question B, 20 from 40. Now right answer. 20 from 40 means 40 minus 20. So 40 minus 20, subtract the numbers and write the answer. After that, write the word problem.
I'm right. It's my first one completed.
It's okay, it's okay. You write, right? There are 34 children in the classroom. 11 children went to the library. How many were left in the classroom? Those who, after completing the word problem, you have to write the answer. You have to find out the answer and tell me what is answer. Okay.
Ma'am, in the completed question number B.
Started to write the word problem. 11th question.
Ma'am, read 11.
THERE. There. ARE. There are 34 children in the classroom. 11 children went to the library. How many were left in the classroom? "34 children were in the classroom, and from that 11 went to the library." So some students are sitting now also in the classroom. What is the number of students in the classroom? THERE. There. ARE. There are 3, 4, 34. CHILDREN. There are 34 children in the classroom. CLASSROOM. Classroom.
There
See,
are 34
there
classrooms in
are
the
34 children. There
one
is 34 children in the classroom.
room.
There are 34 children in the classroom. 11 children went to the library. 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 11 children went to the library. 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 How many were left in the classroom? HOW. How? MANY. How many? WERE. Were. LEFT. Left. IN. In. THE. The. How many were left in the classroom? CLASSROOM. Classroom.
Completed.
Did you write the word problem? Ayyapadas? Ayyapadas, did you write the word problem?
Yes.
Then did you write the answer? Write the answer of word problem. There are 34 children in the classroom. 11 children went to the library. How many were left in the classroom?
Ma'am, Sripadi completed. Full.
Okay. Okay,
Ma'am,
very good.
was completed.
Very good.
Ma'am.
Did you write the answer? Did you write the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer? You got it? What answer you got it?
23.
Ah, very good. 23 children. Very good. 23.
Another completed. Mama Gamya full completed.
Give you
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, and not completed.
after that I will share the other page. Only 3 pages. Okay, very good.
Completed.
Very good, Ananda Papanaban. Very good. Very good. You do got the answer. Ananda Papanaban, you got the answer.
Completed. Yes, ma'am.
How many children were sit in the class? How many children were left? 23 children were sit in the class. Very good. We can wait for 1 more minute. Okay. After 1 minute, I will share the screen once again. After 1 minute, I will share the screen. Then you can check your answers with my answer. And we have one more word problem. We will discuss it. If we have time, we will complete it now itself. Otherwise, I will send in the group. So by that question, we will complete the revision of chapter subtraction. And tomorrow we have exam. Do you have any doubt in subtraction chapter?
No, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Is
No, ma'am.
Maria Antonio? Isa Maria Antonio? Ritika?
No, ma'am.
You all completed?
Yes,
Okay, right. You don't worry, I will share
Yes,
the screen.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. I will give you 1 more minute, right.
Completed.
Okay, Hiba, very good. Those who have completed question, try to find out the answer also. Those who have completed, try to find out the answer also.
I'm Shiba. Right answer. Ma'am,
What is the answer you got, Hiba?
23.
23 children, very good.
Ma'am, is Samaria completed?
Okay, very good.
Not completed.
Okay, very good.
Acha.
Dear Carmel, did you complete? Dear Carmel, did you complete the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer? You got it?
20.
20. How you got it 20?
Ma'am,
23 children. Now,
completed.
okay. Now I'm going to share
Ma'am,
the
is
screen
Samaria
having answer. Okay. So please. So I will share the screen having answer in that and one more word problem. So please write the second word problem. Okay. And those who have completed the answer, no need to write again. So 34 minus 11. At ones place, we have 4 minus 1, that is 3. And 10's place, we have 3 minus 1, that is 2. So 23 children were left in the class. Now we have question number 12. Vijay HAS has 35 stickers. STICKERS. Vijay has 35 stickers. He BUYS buys some more. So already he has 35 and he buys some more from the shop. Now he has 87 stickers. That means he buy more. Now the total number is 87. Okay, 35 was there. He buys some more. Now it is 87. Now what is the question? How many stickers does he buy? So how many stickers does he buy to get the number 87? So all of you write a question and try to find out answer. Here Vijay has 35 stickers and he buys some more and now he has 87 stickers. So how many stickers he buy to get the number 87? So we have to subtract the numbers to get how much more he buy. So here the bigger number is 87, 87, and the smaller number is 35. So at ones place 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5, what is answer? Open 7 fingers, from that close 5 fingers. So 7 minus 5, we got the answer 2. And 10 space 8 minus 3. Open 8 fingers and close 3 fingers, then we will get the answer 5. So he buy 52 stickers more. All of you, please write this question also. Please tell me, my dear.
Ma'am, V, I or G?
Which one?
First one.
V-I-J-Y, Vijay. V-I-J-Y, Vijay. Vijay has 35 stickers. He buys some more. Vijay is a boy. He has 35 stickers. He buys some more stickers from the shop. And now it has become 87. That means it is more. So he buys some more from the shop. The question is how much more he buy from the shop.
V-I-K.
V-I-J-A-Y, Vijay. V-I-J-A-Y, Vijay. H-A-S, has. Vijay has 35. S-T-I-C-K-E-R-S, stickers. S-T-I-C-K-E-R-S, stickers. H-E, he. B-U-Y-S, buys. S-O-M-E, some. M-O-R-E, more. He buys some more.
Twice.
B-U-Y-S, buys some more. N-O-W, now.
S. V-U-Y-S. S-O-M-E.
Now he has 87 stickers.
M-O-R-E. Has 35 and O-W. S.
Now he has 87 stickers. How many stickers does he buy?
Mama, I'll be complete that full.
Okay, very good.
7. Mama, I will complete that full.
Okay, okay.
Mama, done completed.
Okay, Antonio, very good. You got the answer also? You got the answer also?
Yes.
What is the answer? How many stickers he buy from the shop?
Ma'am, once more. 52 stickers.
Okay.
5 to 52.
5 to 52. Vijay has 35 stickers. He buys some more. Now he has 87 stickers. How many stickers does he buy? How many stickers does he buy?
52.
52 stickers. Very good. 52 stickers. And tomorrow we will start the revision of chapter measurement, and at the end we have the test paper. See, we have only 2 more minutes. Try to write fast. Yes, tell me, my dear. Okay, okay, very good. Okay, very good. We have 2 more minutes. So please write fast. Those who didn't complete, write fast, and those who didn't get time to complete, I will share in the group. After 1 minute, I will stop sharing and we will wind up the session.
Ma'am, Karthik
Yes, tell me.
completed.
Okay, Karthik, very good. Okay, okay. Those
Ma'am,
who didn't
another
take time
one
to
has
complete,
completed.
don't worry. I will share in the group. Now itself we can complete it. Don't worry. And I'm going to stop sharing because it's time to join in
I am
other
number
class.
11.
So thank you for joining. Bye bye. See you in
Bye
the next class.
bye. See
Bye.
you later. Bye bye, ma'am.